Lucas a run today. Just coming out of a shed, and we'll back up and just get a few passenger carriages connected and be off around the track. Right. All aboard. Oh, here we go. And there she comes. She's running extra well today. I just love the cooler weather. And here she comes. Another loop round, change a few points, and we'll send her off to a larger loop. There the bridge she goes. This out to the windmill. We're going to the castle. To the industrial area. Lucas is just the best because she's on radio control and can just power away to her own speed there, taking a few sights along the way. A little bit of a uphill there.
On the incline a bit.
Track for her, yeah, just a little bit of incline. But she takes it all in its stride. And she gets steam up. She runs exceptionally well. All the incline there. Stopping at the station. Nothing to pick up there. And he's on his way again. going to unhook the passenger carriages now. Get him to go back into his shed in a minute. Shed. Excellent.